Importing, exporting, and filtering Excel files with FlexGrid. Many businesses rely on Excel for data management and have begun transitioning much of their work to the web. Luckily, Wijmo's FlexGrid has you covered. FlexGrid makes it easy to work with Excel files. With its intuitive interface and robust feature set, you can easily import and export Excel files with just a few clicks. Wijmo's FlexGrid also includes an Excel-like filter, enabling users to filter and sort data in real time, just as they would in Excel. With FlexGrid, importing Excel files is as easy as clicking a button. You can import data from an Excel file and instantly visualize it in the grid control. FlexGrid automatically recognizes the data types and formats the cells accordingly, allowing you to maintain cell formatting and custom content when importing files. And when it's time to export your data, FlexGrid makes it just as easy. You can export your data back to an Excel file and continue to work with it in Excel's environment. Any style or formatting changes you've made will also carry over from FlexGrid to Excel. FlexGrid also includes a powerful Excel-like filter, making it easy to sort and filter data like you would in Excel. You can filter data based on multiple criteria and even use advanced filter functions such as starts with and contains. Plus, the filter is in real time, so that you can see the results of your filters instantly. To learn more about these samples and controls, check out Wijmo's demos at www.grapecity.com/wijmo/demos.